guys, today I'm gonna play Roblox again. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I mean, like, it's not very nice hour to do a video because I don't like to do daily. And yesterday I just uploaded the video, so... And I'm really tired from... Because I was like in a place, I can't tell where, because I don't know if it's maybe gonna copyright me or something. I don't know why I'm so scared of copyright. I'm just a starter YouTuber. I'm not supposed to get copyrighted this fast. So, but that's not the case. So there's a group, here, Robloxian Myth Hunters, by this, beautiful YouTuber, right? Oh, wrong person. By this beautiful YouTuber. Can't tell the names. But, oh, they even made a UGC mask. For Myth and Myth Hunters. $50 Robux? Nice. Emote mask. Glad. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh, I can't copy. 75 Robux? No, I can't believe. But let's go back to the group. I'm telling, I didn't join the group. Trust me, I'm not spying him. Where's the group? Stop it. Okay, let me search it. Robloxian Myth Hunters. Here. So guys, if you want to kill myths, join this group. A new myth? You need to see the developer every time. You need to check the developer of the myth. Oh god, he's on the studio. He's on the studio. Okay, I'm gonna join. Let's see everything that we can find. Oh, Chang's remembers me from a video for a YouTuber that makes a lot. It's been a long time that doesn't make myth videos. Wait, Jnet JR, I am on fire. Why did you decide to start making myth videos? I think myths are cool. And one day I will be one. My skin is already perfect. Just make everything square. That's how myths work. Just make the character full block size and then go and make a random game on the studio. I'm scared because the creator of the game is on the studio. I don't know what's gonna happen when he stops. I'm just level 1 on this group. I call level 1 groups because there's the ranks, and I call level 1. Because why not, right? Too much RPG. Anime. Wait, how do we get it? Okay, jump here. Jump on top of this guy's head. No, you made him fall. Why? There you go. Oh, I can't reach there. I think I just would fall through, though. I don't understand this game. Before, I don't know, before this game, everyone was hunting, not everyone, but People are hunting this game before this one. Where the wind blows. Wait, let me put the music a little down because it's really high. Here, look. Here, look. When I first joined it, this bridge wasn't here. The bridge wasn't here. I think I'm actually gonna check on the creator of this game and see if he was on the studio. I could see the island, but I couldn't see all of this. Now there was this little place here, and there's a statue there. When you get too close, yeah, it teleports you here. They need to do this parkour with this really high jump. Then there's this thing that will teleport you here. There's lots of books, like this one. I'm writing this to teach people of the future who I was, with the forecoming even closer. I fear I meet the same fate of my father. On the curd of my realm, the gentle gained. I made the water flow and I made the trees sing where the wind blows. The name of the game, Wind Blows, where the wind blows. Oh look, winning smile. I think that's the true myth in the game. That's the true myth. I've heard legends about how they say his was killed and he cried. Okay, too much depressing. I do not know much of the. Oh look, this one, this note. I just write it down. I didn't send the information. But that's it. Bye guys. I just wanted to tell you about this. Bye.